And here we are, guys. We have arrived to the Edison and Ford plant show. Crowds of people over there, look at that. So this is a very popular show to go to, and you're seeing all of these cars here as well. And to my understanding, there are 40 plus vendors here. So we have to find additional parking over this way. Cars everywhere we look. This is a very popular show, guys. And here we are, guys. We have arrived at Edison and Ford Winter Estates in Fort Myers, where they are having their Humunga Dunga Wunga plant sale. Over 40 vendors, thousands and thousands of plants. I'm so excited to be here today, and I'm so excited you guys are joining me. Buddy, hey! And in this section, guys, you are seeing some tropical bromeliads and some Thai plants here. Some palms as well, as you are seeing. Beautiful anthurium right here. And you're seeing several varieties here as well. This plant right here, not sure, this almost looks like a can lily, but looks like some form of ginger as well, with these beautiful variegated patterned leaves. Beautiful calathea variety. And I believe it's for $15. Look at that. Another beautiful anthurium, and if we take a look, very nice purple flower. All sorts of bromeliads and also some Tilandsias varieties as well. Look at this. I absolutely love these black cryptanthus. Beautiful, guys. And of course, this is a gorgeous one as well. Look at the pattern and the colors on those leaves, just so striking. $12 on these, guys, and $12 on this beauty as well. And these have lots of little pups on these also. This is a very large stenolobium right here. And oh my goodness, look at that. This is for $100. A very, very good price on such a large plant. Look at the flowers on this one, guys. I have never seen anything like that.
Yeah.
Wow. Like beautiful red pom-poms. Gorgeous. And that was Cyril Brothers Nursery that we just looked at. So let's go head on to the next. And of course, you can find everything and anything here needed for plants. There you have fertilizer. There's a lot of succulents over this way. Tons and tons of them, guys.
Hey, I need to get one of them. So they're right. Okay, perfect. Alrighty, I'll work my way there.
I always love these. Look at these. They look like jellies. Just want to pluck one off and eat it. But don't do that, guys. I'm just saying, they do look delicious. Here's a string of turtles right here, guys. Look, a nice full pot. Look at that. So cute. Then you're seeing string of hearts right here for $14. You guys know I've been looking for one, but I do want the variegated variety, so hopefully I can find one here. And this right here, these are the smaller pots for $12. String of turtles right there. And here are some variegated string of pearls for 14 buckaroonies, guys. Small string of hearts right here for 8 buckaroonies. Do you see that? Those are little seed pods, and you're also seeing the unique little flowers on here as well. How interesting. And here's a string of spades, and you can also see, look at those seed pods, and also some blooms throughout here as well. So definitely you can get some seeds and try to grow these yourself if you wanted to. Different varieties of Aglaonema right here, or the Chinese evergreen. Definitely has some beautiful variegated patterns on these. Here we have an assortment of desert rose right here, 26, and of course the variegated one for 30. And here's a variegated one, guys. How beautiful. Guys, look at that. Beautiful. And of course they have their sheets here of the varieties that they have. Here's an orchid cactus for 10 buckaroonies. Curly Sue's right there for $12. And here's their business information, guys, in case you want to get in contact with them. They do have quite a variety of succulents and also at good prices. And right here, guys, we're finding some Aroid, so let's dig in. Alocasia Dark Star for $35, and oh my gosh, this is huge, guys. For $35, such a great deal. And you're also noticing a variety of these alocasias. So huge. This is the Philodendron Emerald, and you're seeing them for $30. Right there, guys. Beautiful Prince of Orange selling for 20 buckaroonies. $20 on this 3-gallon of alocasia for Tora right there. Look at that. And a huge variety of these beautiful gingers right here. Big size pots. Blue ginger right there for $8. And then you are also seeing this ginger. This is the green shell ginger, $8. Look at those flowers. This one's for $8 as well. Alpine Newtons, I think, yeah. Cinnamon ginger, I wonder if it smells. Yep, it says it smells just like ginger. And look at these flowers right here. And that's $8 for the gallon as well. So again, quite a variety of different assortments of ginger. And very good prices as well. And if you guys know me, you guys know I love the Pharaoh's mask, and they have it for $30 in these very nice size pots right here. Definitely a great price, a deal and a steal on these Pharaoh's masks. And check this Manfreda undulata out, this chocolate chips. If you can take a close look at the picture, the edges are so rippled. And here they are right here. Now these of course are juvenile, but guys, this is only for $10 right here. And you can imagine when they get large and in charge. The bat plant, guys. There you have it for $15. And here's an example of how amazing they look. Look at that. Look at those whiskers. How unique is the blossom, guys? So this is the petticoat fern, $22. How unique is that? They have this one frond, and then it puts forth like a bushel of fronds at the very end. Very, very neat, guys. I've never seen this one before. Anthurium ruffles right here for $20. And all of these plants are coming from Mad Plants right there. That's all of their information. Eat what you grow, guys. Look at that. A variety of edibles. Here we have a guava. Yellow Cotley, I think is what it says, for $35. Check out that really very pink guava right there, looking almost like a cherry. Of course, this looks like a fig of some sort. Magnolia ficus, carica or carissa. You can also find pomegranates, a whole assortment of them here as well. And here's a dwarf variety of an avocado, $40. And you know how large avocado trees can get. So this is more of a compact variety right here. And you can already see that they're beginning to produce their flowers. So you never know, you could have an abundance of an early harvest. This is the loquat, and for $40. Starfruit tree right here for 40 buckaroonies. Miracle fruit is what it says. So Yeah, that's what that one is. This is the Barbados cherry right here. I have one of these as well. And if you guys are interested in contacting them, this is all of their information right here. For all of you gardeners, here we are with all of the beautiful flowers right here. Definitely perfect for your landscape or your patio. And they have some beautiful display right on time for the spring and summer months. Look at that. It says the pink weeping lantern tree for $60. And I've seen the coral variety, but I've never seen this pink variety. So this is very, very interesting and beautiful right here. And aren't these so adorable, guys? Check out those butterflies. Woohoo! A lot of garden friend ornaments right here. So cute and adorable. Look at that. Bumblebees and caterpillars, and I see butterflies in there as well. So if you want to decorate your beautiful plants, you can do it just a bit further by adding these cute little critters. Right here, guys, they are out of Tampa, and this is all of their information just in case you want to contact them. Look-see. They also have orchids here and quite a variety. Look at these spotted beauties right here. Beautiful, beautiful Cattleyas. I'm also seeing some Paphiopedilums right here. Look at that, guys. Ready to burst forth with their gorgeous and unique blooms. And here we have some more Cattleyas. Look at that. Beautiful colors, guys. Variety of Phalaenopsis that they have too right here. Look at that, guys. All very beautiful, very healthy, and all of them blooming. Dendrobium section right here. Look at all of those buds just wanting to bloom for you guys. Look at that, and some already in bloom. These right here are your more fragrant Vandas. You guys know I am all about the fragrance, so let's check them out. Look at that. Come on, guys, take a smell. So heavenly. Dendrobiums for $35. $55 on the Dendrobium nobles. Are 15, I think 30 on those ones. 15 also on these ones, and 30 on the beautiful ones in the back. Paphiopedilums for $45, 35 on the Cattleyas. And how beautiful is this one right here? Selling for $50. And check out that staghorn fern right there. Oh my bejeebers. You guys want to see just how big it is? It's this big, guys. This big. Humunga dunga wunga. Try taking this one home, right? And take a look, see, guys, this is the Jose Bueno. Look at that. Look at the variegations on this. Look how huge and large the leaves are. And it's growing right on this tree. This is what I got to do with mine. How gorgeous is that? Can you imagine this climbing all the way up there? I can. And definitely, hopefully, that'll happen in my garden. And if you guys get hungry, you can definitely get some foodie over there, guys. And a nice little section to eat, relax, and enjoy as well, right there. And now we're gonna check out the other section. And here we are, guys. We're seeing some Aroids here. Beautiful, very healthy Aroids. Look at this one right here. How beautiful is this? That one is for $55, and it is a Philodendron gigantea. Gigantic, guys. Again, very beautiful, lush leaves right there. And if you can get an idea, look how huge. Huge bipennifolium right here. Absolutely unbelievable. I can't even get over it. That's how huge those leaves will get. You don't ever hardly see them this big, guys. Philodendron sagittifolium right here. And this is also going for $55. And here, let's take a look-see. This is huge, guys. Huge. And here's an idea of that leaf. Look, that's how big it is for $55, guys. And here's an Amydrium zippelinum, And I do believe it's $75. And let's take a look-see. Take a look-see. Take a look-see at how tall this is. $75, guys, on this one. $750 for this humunga dunga wunga of a Monstera Thai constellation. You see how beautiful this is. We are at Reggie Malone Horticulture Nursery, and I have David here with us, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what they have at their nursery. I've shown you a little bit already, and phenomenal plants. So many different varieties, and even some spectacular and very rare ones as well. You guys don't really do any major online sales or
No,
anything?
it's usually just the shows. Here
Okay.
at the Edison home, a couple in Punta Gorda, Naples Botanical Garden,
Okay.
that kind of thing.
So you guys really have to catch them while they're here, while they're hot, guys. And you told me you had such a variety of, especially pink princess and other
we've
rare
had a lot
ones.
yes, we had a lot of pink princesses this morning, some albas,
Yeah,
and
Monstera albos.
yes,
Ooh.
a lot of those went today. A lot of different variegated stuff.
Okay.
But as you see, we're pretty
Yeah.
wiped out right now. The collectors were here early.
So you really have to get here early because the early bird catches the worm, and what's here is not even a quarter of what they had, guys. So definitely jump on it.
You know, hit the shows when
Yeah.
we're here. If you get here early, we've got some good stuff.
Here's a Jerry horn, guys, for $75 with the beautiful dragon head shaped leaves right there. Look at this, guys, $35 on, believe it or not, a little fill, which is not little anymore, guys. This will actually get humunga dunga wunga. So forget what they told you with the little fills being compact and staying compact, because they will not. Again, this is a little fill. Philodendron Mayo Eyes right here for 40 buckaroonies. This is just their leftover, guys. I mean, they sold out of their very hot, trendier plants. But look at this. This is a bipennifolium right here. Look how huge those leaves are. Humunga dunga wunga. And look at all the leaves. Look at there. And going all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. $75 on this very huge bipennifolium horsehead. Unbelievable, guys. $55 on this humunga dunga wunga 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 right here. Look how huge. Look how huge. $55, guys. Also some orchids here as well. Zygopedilum right there. Look at that. And these are so fragrant, smelling like hyacinth. Definitely a very unique looking bloom on this one. And this is being sold for 30 buckaroonies. Such an adorable dendrobium. And this is being sold for $25. And I believe it's the Twinkle. And all of the cherry babies are gone. This is the only one left over. This is just a sample right here. So definitely very beautiful Oncidium variety right there. Look at that, guys. Beautiful Gigantea right here. This is a Vandaceous variety and very, very fragrant. You guys know I do love the spotty dotties. Drives me absolutely crazy. Look how beautiful they are. $55 on these beauties. Look how cutely these are mounted. These are Tilandsias right here with their very dainty, dainty blooms. Look at that. How adorbs is that? And let's take a look-see over here, guys. See what they have. I'm seeing a lot of Tilandsias and also some orchids right here. Ooh, beautiful orchids. This one right here is a huge plant. And you are looking at $50 right there. How gorgeous is that? And it looks like a Ludomaniana. I'm not sure about that, but definitely looks like one. And this is Bello Tropicals. And we see them here, there, and everywhere. Very popular company. And as you can see, they're bringing to us today a lot of variety of orchids and also Tilandsias. And I do know they specialize in an assortment of Bromeliads as well. So definitely a one-stop shop for all types of tropical plants. Gorgeous Vandas right here for 35 buckaroonies. And look at this beauty right here. For 20 buckaroonies. $35 on this huge beauty. And look, you're seeing all of the berries producing, which eventually will produce the seeds. And here we have a tuberous begonia. Look at that. Very nice size, very healthy. And this is indeed a very easy to grow. I used to have these growing all throughout my garden, just like weeds. And they're being sold for $15. Huge 3-gallon pots. As you can see, this is the mojito, the elephant ear that is very variegated. Look at that. Nice patterns on this one. And these are only $20, guys. This is a huge light bulb plant right here, also known as the Philodendron. And look, all throughout you're seeing those light bulbs. Right there, guys, look at the light bulbs. How interesting. Look just how it cascades down. That beautiful cascading effect. And this one is going for $60 right there. Smaller one, and this one is for $30. This is the variegated angel trumpet tree. How neat and beautiful is that? And this one is only for $20, guys. $20. It will bloom, and it also has these beautiful variegations. And here are the powder puff trees, guys. Look at the flowers, how unique. And they're selling these for $20. And it's a pretty nice size. Look at that. They do have an assortment of different varieties of shrubs and trees. Some of them fragrant, some of them blooming, some herbals as well. So definitely a variety of them. And you're also seeing some landscape plants as well. So definitely if you're into shrubbery, if you're into landscaping, this is a place you'd want to check out. And I do have to show you this one. This is already sold, but this is called the lion's tail, and I'm just so amused by it. This will actually become a bush, and that's the name right there. They got it for $20. This is coming from Africa, guys. I have never seen it before, and the flowers are just so amusing. Also known as a medicinal plant as well. And as we're taking a walk throughout the garden, this is very interesting. How beautiful, guys. All of these very different ornamental sculptures and decorations throughout the garden. And look at all of these variety of orchids right here. So gorgeous. Look at that, guys. And here's some vanilla orchids. And this is actually a mix and match. You can get them $10 each or 3 for $25. And I do believe these are called the Bromeliad matchsticks. Look at that. Can you see the matchsticks in there? Gorgeous, gorgeous blooms on this bromeliad. And also look how very amusing the leaves are as well. And as they grow older, you'll see them come up with all of these splotches and patterns. Just gorgeous. Happy Valentine's to me. And in this section right here, guys, you're getting a whole assortment of different types of flowering plants, some that are fruiting, definitely some landscape plants, and I'm seeing a lot of exotic plants as well. Bushes and shrubs that I've never seen before, definitely very, very interesting. $20 on these tibuchinas right here. Definitely great prices. This will bush up and bloom those beautiful purple blooms all over the place. Here's yet another variety, and if you can take a look, I don't know if I can show you with all of the bright light, but these are definitely very furry. You see all that fur? Love it. And huge, nice textured leaves on that one. And this one right here, you see a lot in different landscapes. Definitely beautifully colored leaves with the green on the top surface, and the bottom surface you're seeing a nice, very kind of eggplant purple underneath. And those are the blooms right there. Definitely pink fireworks, like kaboom. $15 on that. Then you have the lemon trees and also the citrus trees right here. I actually thought this was a fake plant right here, and it is not. It is absolutely real. This is what it is. I am not going to attempt to try to pronounce that, but it definitely is coming from West Africa, and really, really interesting right there. So these will get larger, and you're gonna see those very bright red blooms. And they're very textured too, a bit furry. A variety of Bromeliads, also known as the angel trumpet. And you're gonna see a variety of different colors as well. And as you guys know, these are very, very fragrant, a bit toxic too as well, so definitely be careful, but you are going to see those heavenly and very unique blooms off of these. Look at that. And just to give you an idea, guys, that's how large those flowers are. Tababuya Christotricha, golden tab. And I actually have this one in my yard, and I gotta tell you, they are absolutely gorgeous. My tree is such a showstopper. Everyone stops in the neighborhood just to take a look and even take pictures of it. So this is one that is very fast growing. $45 on that one, guys. And this one right here is an absolute gorgeous one. And they're selling this treelet right here. It is for $25, and I want to get one. And this one is a very exotic one right here. I think very, very fragrant blooms. And this one is selling for $25, and it is at a good size, guys. Will you guys look at that? Didn't I say great prices? I am so tempted, guys. I've been wanting one of these like forever. And this one right here is a gorgeous one, blooming so many clusters of blue flowers.
Thank you guys so much.
And this is for 20 buckaroonies. I love this one right here. It's part of the pea family. And look at the royal blue flowers on this. Absolutely gorgeous. You can see all of those beans as well. And of course, those seed pods contain seeds, so you definitely can propagate and start some more of these plants. And only for $20. So I gotta show you this one because I'm so amused. First, taking a look at this, you might even confuse this with some form of, I don't know, Hoya? Because look at the leaves. You're seeing variegation in there. But guys, believe it or not, this right here is some form of jasmine, and it will actually bloom like this. And it's very, very fragrant as well. So to see the nice variegations in here, let's take a look, see if we can find some really nice ones. I just love it. I love it. They're beautiful. And to know they're vining and they're also blooming in these fragrant flowers. I mean, how could you say no for $20? Hey there, pretty guy. What you doing? Look at you. And we have come to Tilandsia land, air plant land, and also bromeliad land right here. You guys are familiar with Tropiflora, our favorite bromeliad Tilandsia location. And you can spot them at a lot of different shows with such a variety of Tilandsia. Never ending, guys. $3 each on these, guys. Looky, looky. Just tons of them. I mean, you would not even believe how unique and spectacular some of these Tilandsias are. Look at that. Look at the texture. That snowy white texture. I don't know. I might have to get this one right here. $12.50 on this one. Really, really awesome. Different tints and shading. Definitely different sizes, length, and also thinness of the actual modified leaves, I guess you can call them. Look at how thin, almost thread-like this is. Just gorgeous. And they also have some ferns here, all sorts of types. You guys know I do love the bird nest fern. $12.50. Very, very nice size already on this one. 6 buckaroonies. And I showed you this on one of my videos. Also $6. Look at that. Look at the patterns on this one. Almost looks like blood splatters, but definitely interesting and very beautiful. Just a huge assortment of these beautiful, beautiful bromeliads all throughout, guys. $35 on this one. Ooh, $55 on this one. Look at that. And here is their information, guys, right there. A lot of plants here that butterflies really, really love. So definitely nice to have these plants around for a very beautiful butterfly garden. And here's the giant milkweed, guys, for $15. Really nice size. You're seeing them coming into bud there. Here we have the Philodendron Jose Bueno, $2.75 for the larger one, which is this one right here, and then $75 for the smaller one. Now this larger one has definitely huge, huge leaves. Look at that. You're also seeing good variegations on them as well. Here is a Philodendron Mexicanum right here for $75. And here are the leaves. And this is a very large leaf. Monstera pinnata partita, $85 right here. So this is the Dean McDowell, being sold for $130 on the bigger ones. And I think the smaller ones were, I think, $95. Guys, look at this. This is a Philodendron, no ID, for $100. And this is huge. Just leaned up against the tree right here. Huge. I can't even give you a size comparison here because, again, it's totally leaned. But look at that. This one's a very, very beautiful plant right here. Look at that. Gorgeous patterns. And this is what that one is. I was looking for this everywhere. I cannot believe I found it here, guys. Look at the variegation on these leaves. I want it. Selling for right there. Oh my gosh, unheard of. I want it. What do you guys think? Would you get it for $15? We have some goodies here. As you're seeing, Syngonium Pink Splash right there, $65. Also, you're seeing the Monstera Stanleyana right here, variegated variety for $65 buckaroonies, guys. And here's Monstera Double Windows is what they say it is, and it's for $150 right there. Monstera Laniata, $65. There's some that I've never heard of. I'm assuming their species varieties a little less popular, but definitely beautiful still. And I am not even going to try to pronounce that one, but there it is. And I believe this is what it is right here. Beautiful. And guys, here's the Cebu Blue. And also, this needs no introduction. You guys already know. Definitely the Pink Princess for $150, guys. Look at that. Nice variegations on these two. You definitely are seeing them in here. The Philodendron Bernardo Pazii for $95. Painted Lady right here. Looky here. And this is the Aria variety. $45 on this bipennifolium or horsehead right here. Philodendron subhistatum, of course, with those beautiful maroon undersides. And Gloriosum right here, guys, you see it, $95 on this Gloriosum. So definitely great varieties of philodendrons right here, guys, can be found. Look at this, guys. I have never seen this before. Look how wild those flowers are. Kind of looks like a honeysuckle, but enlarged, like on steroids. How beautiful is that? And guys, believe it or not, we've run out of time. It's absolutely too much to take in, guys. I have not even seen everything, and they're about to close. So I'm gonna do a quick walkabout just to show you, so you see the many varieties here. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna give you individual pricing because at this point it's about to close down. But as you can see, there's just so many different decorations and pots, macrames right here. Look at that. So beautiful. So definitely your one-stop shop. Oh look, there's even stuff back here. Okay, I guess I'm gonna give you a quick walkabout. But tons, guys, tons, never ending. Even back here, I'm not even gonna be able to go through all of this. Okay, here we go, here we go. Beautiful pots. Let's go ahead and take a look at these beautiful pots really quick. Look at that. More gorgeous orchids. Look at that. Ooh, so many ideas, guys. Such a cutie. Look at that. And those are $10. So cute, the watermelon. Oh, is this the Taniki? Nepanthes right there. $20 on this black velvet right here. And these are nice sizes too. Look at that. Very nice. $250 for this Philodendron McDowell. Look at that. Very, very huge pot. I think this is like maybe 7 gallons or more. But definitely huge pots. You're seeing $25 on this one right here. This is the Philodendron Giganteum right here, being sold for $60. And that is how large they can get. And $250 on this gigantic fella right here. Look how ginormous. Look at that. $20 on this huge Dieffenbachia. Look at the variegation and the spottings on this. How gorgeous. $60 on this prehistoric creature right here. Huge, guys. And this is the Colocasia white lava. And as they mature, they'll start getting the white veinings on these. Definitely gorgeous appearance. And there you have it, folks. That's another fun day of shopping. And I gotta tell you, we closed it down because as you're seeing, people are actually packing up and getting ready to go. I ran out of time. There were so many plants, so many vendors. I mean, wowee, but I did get a good amount of plants. So definitely stay tuned for more and I'll share with you exactly what I got, guys. Bye.